Choosing the perfect 16-inch laptop can be tough with so many great options. In this video, we'll compare the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra, Gigabyte Aero 16 OLED, and Dell XPS 16. We'll look at their performance, displays, battery life, design, and more. By the end, you'll know which one is the perfect fit for your needs. So, stick around and find out which laptop is the clear winner, and look for product links in the description below. The Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra is a compelling option in the crowded field of 16-inch laptops. It boasts a gorgeous AMOLED display, up-to-date processors and graphics, and impressive battery life, making it a strong contender for creative professionals and demanding users. However, its high price tag and lack of a 4K display might give some buyers pause. The Galaxy Book4 Ultra is a sleek and stylish machine clad in graphite aluminum. It's impressively slim for its size at 0.65 inches thick and relatively light at 4.1 pounds. The bezels around the display are minimal except for the slightly thicker bottom bezel. The webcam sits centered above the display, but lacks features like IR face recognition or a privacy shutter. A fingerprint reader integrated into the power button provides a secure login option. The laptop offers a generous selection of ports, including two USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, an HDMI port, a USB 3.2 Type-A port, a micro SD card slot, and an audio jack. It also comes equipped with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth for wireless connectivity. One of the highlights of the Galaxy Book4 Ultra is its stunning AMOLED display. This 16-inch panel boasts a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels and delivers rich, vivid colors with excellent contrast. While some competitors offer higher resolution 4K displays, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra's screen is still incredibly sharp and offers vibrant visuals. Additionally, the display features a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a more fluid user experience. It comes equipped with powerful components to handle demanding tasks. Our review unit featured a latest generation Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics, 32 GB of RAM, and a 1 TB SSD. This configuration blazed through productivity tasks and handled creative applications like Photoshop with ease. It's also capable of handling 1080p gaming at high frame rates. It surprised us with its impressive battery life. In our video playback test, it lasted for over 13 hours, which is more than enough for a full workday. This makes it a great choice for users who need a laptop that can last throughout the day without needing to be plugged in. The Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra is a powerful and stylish laptop with a stunning AMOLED display and excellent battery life. However, its high price tag and lack of a 4K display might deter some buyers. If you can find a good deal or prioritize portability and a beautiful screen over the absolute highest resolution, the Galaxy Book4 Ultra is a great option to consider. The Gigabyte Aero 16 OLED is a high-performance laptop designed for content creators and demanding users. It boasts a stunning 16-inch 4K OLED display, powerful components, and a sleek and durable design. While it's not perfect, the Aero 16 OLED offers excellent value for its price and is a strong contender in the premium laptop market. The Aero 16 OLED is a sleek and stylish laptop with a premium aluminum build. It's relatively lightweight and portable for a 16-inch machine, making it easy to carry around. The design is clean and minimalist, with a subtle iridescent logo that lights up when the laptop is on. The laptop features a comfortable scissor switch keyboard with a large glass touchpad. The keyboard offers good typing accuracy and responsiveness, and the touchpad is smooth and precise. The Aero 16 OLED also includes a built-in fingerprint reader for convenient and secure login. One of the highlights of the Aero 16 OLED is its stunning 16-inch 4K OLED display. This screen offers exceptional color accuracy, deep blacks, and vibrant visuals. The high resolution and OLED technology make it ideal for content creation, gaming, and multimedia consumption. It is powered by a powerful Intel Core i9 and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card. This combination delivers excellent performance for demanding tasks like video editing, photo manipulation, and gaming. The laptop also comes with plenty of RAM and storage to handle your workload. While its battery life is not exceptional, it should be sufficient for most users. It can last for several hours on a single charge, but you may need to plug it in for intensive tasks or extended use. It is a powerful and versatile laptop that offers excellent performance, a stunning display, and a durable design. It's a great choice for content creators, gamers, and anyone who needs a high-performance machine. While the battery life could be improved, it's a relatively minor drawback considering its many other strengths. If you're looking for a premium laptop that delivers on both performance and value, the Aero 16 OLED is definitely worth considering. The Dell XPS 16 is a premium laptop designed for demanding users and creative professionals. It boasts a sleek and stylish design, a stunning 16-inch 4K OLED display, powerful components, and a comfortable keyboard. While it's not perfect, the XPS 16 offers exceptional performance and features, making it a strong contender in the high-end laptop market. The XPS 16 features a modern and minimalist design with a sleek aluminum chassis. It's relatively lightweight and portable for a 16-inch laptop, making it easy to carry around. The display is surrounded by thin bezels, providing a more immersive viewing experience. It features a comfortable keyboard with a seamless touchpad. The keyboard offers good typing accuracy and responsiveness, and the touchpad is smooth and precise. The laptop also includes a built-in fingerprint reader for convenient and secure login. One of the highlights of the XPS 16 is its stunning 16-inch 4K OLED display. This screen offers exceptional color accuracy, deep blacks, and vibrant visuals. The high resolution and OLED technology make it ideal for content creation, gaming, and multimedia consumption. It is powered by a powerful Intel Core Ultra processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card. This combination delivers excellent performance for demanding tasks like video editing, photo manipulation, and gaming. The laptop also comes with plenty of RAM and storage to handle your workload. It offers impressive battery life, allowing you to use it for extended periods without needing to plug it in. While it may not last as long as some ultra-portable laptops, it should be sufficient for most users. It's a premium laptop that offers exceptional performance, a stunning display, and a sleek design. It's a great choice for demanding users and creative professionals who need a powerful and versatile machine. While it's on the pricey side, the XPS 16 is well worth the investment for those who prioritize performance and features. The Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra, Gigabyte Aero 16 OLED, and Dell XPS 16 are all excellent 16-inch laptops with their own strengths and weaknesses. The clear winner in 2024 depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you prioritize battery life, portability, and a stunning AMOLED display, the Samsung Galaxy Book4 Ultra is a great choice. However, its high price tag and lack of a 4K display might be drawbacks for some. If you value performance, a 4K OLED display, and a durable design, the Gigabyte Aero 16 OLED is a strong contender. It offers excellent value for its price and is a great option for content creators and demanding users. If you want a premium laptop with exceptional performance, a stunning 4K OLED display, and a sleek design, the Dell XPS 16 is the best choice. However, it's also the most expensive option. Your choice of laptop should be based on your individual priorities and preferences. Consider your budget, the types of tasks you'll be using the laptop for, and the features that are most important to you.